Yeah, hello, this is Mohammad Alrifai. Today we are going to talk about like the technology, the new technology like Spring Boot, Spring MVC, Spring and Spring Security, REST API, template REST like the client server, consume like how we can consume the REST API, and like I'm currently working freelance, so I will be navigating to this project. So I work in STS here, STS, which is Spring Tool Suite. I have currently like all these things, but mainly I have two microservices, one and two, and election, application, and business. So these also it's like they are segregate two applications, but they are also communicate with each other. So they are considered as microservices, and also there is a REST API. I have built the REST API and consume that REST API using the template service. So yes, so right now if I see the local here election application, and I have another application which is business. The business, I can open it. Okay, this is not running, so I can, let me run it. Okay, I can re-debug. Okay, let me re-debug it, and let me just pause until it's come up. So right now it's running. See, this application is running 8080, like the default port is 8080. This one I have changed it because I need to both of them to be running at the same time. So business also, if I go to business, I have changed it here actually. We can see some data source. Yes, the data source where I set up my like I can set up my connection to the database here. This is actually all things, and also the service port like here. But what's going on, I put it in one and I removed it from here and I put it in application.property. This is the way how we can configure, like manually configure. If we need to manually configure anything in Spring Boot, we just like open the application. Where is it? The application here, should be here somewhere here. Yeah. There you go. So yes, 88. So the business will work in 88 and this one will work in 80. So if I go to browser right now, which browser? Let me go here. Yeah, I run 8080. If I run 80, it's not running right now, so it will not work basically. Yeah, but if I run 8080, it will work. So this is the application I have running. Okay, currently I'm running. Some customer asked me to build him a website, so this website which I'm currently running, so like we have some pictures here, like if you just hover over the pictures it will enlarge the picture, and I have also like you can click here to maximize or like enlarge the picture. You can see here and get back, but actually what I'm doing here, I will refer to the main like let me close this one right now, close project, and I can only work on this project. Let me go to home controller. I will show you actually the login page, not this one, the login page of the election application. So I have just to remove this one and take it to the login page to show you what exactly I'm building, like my website and the customer website. Right now, is it up and running? Is it up and running? Yeah, this is right now they are up and running. So right now, if I need to go to any other like screen, I cannot navigate into a login. Okay, contact us. I cannot navigate into a login. So let me log in. Okay, with the admin. Yes, I have successful login. This is the application I'm currently built. This application is like election, and currently I have country is Jordan, and yeah. So once I select Jordan, I will be select all these cities from Jordan, Salman, and then I can select like first one. We have like this thing coming from database. Let me open the database. I have also MySQL database here. So okay, it will work right now. Then I can select whatever I want until I see the candidate. So these things right now will, you see, 5 seconds it will like a new windows. That's what I have selected item, but I've selected. So I can search candidate in this location, or I can edit. If I need to edit, like, I can also deselect them again. I have logout here, page here, I have about here. I have to check why this one coming no corner. And also I have all these things, like if I navigate here, then I can go back. If I navigate here, yeah, this is like questionnaire, like this is candidate condition, yeah, and this is the candidate comments. Then if you go back, you can like select yes or no, and it depends what you select. It will tell you if you are really authorized to be a candidate or not. And I have built these things also, candidate folder, so you can add a candidate here. Yeah, like, let me say add candidate. It will tell you have to fill all these things. Once you fill all these things, it will be added here automatically. So I can hide this list, or sorry, or show this list. Yeah, yeah. If you need to add a voter, you can add a voter. Let me add a candidate. Should candidate. Let's say admin, and the last name is admin, and the phone number 123456789. Email 123abc@yahoo.com. Location is Missouri. Let's say SSN 73. Okay. So admin, currently admin, we don't have admin. You see, we don't have admin in the list. If I add the admins, add admin, okay. Right now I can see the admin right here. Admin Missouri. Okay, this is the things I just add them right here. So okay, add candidate, add voter, we can add voter, contact us, these things under maintenance. So I can go back, and by the way, I like the news, also have the news here, and this news will like automatically tell you. Actually, I have this in 2 languages, in English and Arabic, and let me just hold it. Yes, so like this, the news, it will provide you new news. Like you can see new news. So it's like some screens under maintenance because they need to work properly. So these things here, admin, yeah, like actually, if I log with the user, then okay, let me just yeah, if I log with the admin, then I can see the admin right here and call business app. This call business app, or like this one is like we'll call another microservices, and we are using the template and the REST API. So let me log out again. You see admin and call business app. If I log in with what? If I log in, let me just log out. I don't know what happened. This should work. I have also actually log out here also, or if this one does not work, I have it here also. Yeah, log out. So if I log in with the user, log in, so they will go admin, it's done, and call a business, because this is not authorized. What technology I have used? I have used security, Spring Security. I have the demo actually because there's a lot of things deprecated. Yeah, I used to have like Spring Security configure. You see this one, configuration, enable web security, and if you see this web security configure adapter, this one is deprecated because I'm using a Spring Boot 3.1. If we go to POM, yeah, if we go to POM, then this is the Spring Boot version. So Spring Boot version 3.1.0. So I cannot use these things actually for security because they are deprecated. This one's still okay. This one's still okay. This one I cannot, like, if let me try to do it very quickly actually here.